Hello everyone, this is UPSC 2024 Agriculture Optional Paper 2 question paper. So the question is, discuss the casual organism, symptoms and management of Tungro disease in rice. So it is a 20 marks question and you have to attempt in the range of around 350 words. So first of all, we will discuss about the casual organism. So Tungro virus disease is transmitted by the leaf hoppers, wherein the most efficient factor is the green leaf hopper. Its scientific name is Nephrotetic virescens. The disease complex is associated with the rice tungro bacilliform virus and rice tungro spherical virus. This rice tungro bacilliform virus can't be transmitted by the leaf hoppers unless RTSV, that is rice tungro spherical virus, is present. Insects can acquire the virus from any part of the infected plant, and after acquiring the virus, the vector can immediately transmit to the plants. So this is about the causal organism about the Tungro disease in rice. Now, what are the symptoms associated with this disease? Stunting and reduced tillering in plants is observed. Leaves become yellow or orange yellow and may also have rust colored spots. Discoloration begins from leaf tip and extends down to the blade or lower leaf portion. Delayed flowering. Panicles are small and not completely exerted. Most panicles are sterile or partially filled grains. Tungro virus disease affects all growth stages of the rice plant, specifically the vegetative state. So this is all about the symptoms of the Tungro disease virus. Now how you will manage this particular disease? Light traps to attract and control leaf hopper vectors, or planting of resistant varieties like IR36, IR50, EDT37, Ponmani, CO45, Surekha, etc. Observing a fallow period of at least a month to eliminate host and viruses and vectors of the disease. Apply neem cake at 12.5 kg per 20 cent nursery as a basal dose. Destruction of the weed host. Plowing and harrowing the field to destroy the stubbles right after harvesting in order to eliminate other Tungro host. Spraying 2% urea mixed with mancozeb at 2.5 gram per liter. Fenthion 100 EC 40 ml per hectare may also be sprayed 15 and 30 days after transplanting. In nursery, when the virus infection is low, apply carbofuran granules at 1 kg per hectare to control the vector population. So these are some of the management strategies to control the rice tungro virus. So in this way you can attempt this question. Thank you and keep watching my videos.